Let me guess, you are operating 3 different Instagram accounts, only that this time around, each one looks like a completely different person, different browser, different IP address, different device identity. And to Instagram, these accounts actually have nothing in common. So here's why this is important. When Instagram wants to restrict you, they don't only check your email address, they check almost everything. They check your IP address, they check your location, they check your device, they check your network, they even check the Wi-Fi around you. So if at least 2 accounts share any of these things, Instagram links them together. And if one account has a problem, the other account will also be affected. Let's say one account gets banned, it means that the other account will also go down. And it even gets worse if you are living in countries where Instagram is blocked completely, because you won't be able to log in except you are able to set up things properly. So these are 2 different problems, but they both have one simple solution. If you stick around and watch this video to the end, I'll show you exactly how you can manage multiple Instagram accounts without getting banned. Towards the end of this video, I'll also show you exactly how you can get 2 GB of process for free so that you can protect your account and reduce the risk. So if you want to find out all of these things, then make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end. Just in case you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is John Agbo, and I want to officially say welcome to my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell icon so that once I release a new video, you'll always be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Let me be honest with you, Instagram is smarter than most people think. When you log into Instagram, the platform is not just checking your IP address alone. It is checking a whole lot of things at the same time. It is checking your IP address, your device location, your network, and even the Wi-Fi around you. So if one of your accounts gets flagged, maybe for spam or for suspicious activity, immediately they'll start looking for other accounts that also share same device, same browser, same IP address, and then they link them together. And the part most people miss is that changing one thing does not fix this particular issue. You can use a VPN to change your IP, but if everything still shows your real setup, it still looks suspicious. It's like saying you are in one country, but everything still shows that you are somewhere else, and that's a red flag. Let me give a very simple example. Somebody can log into multiple Instagram accounts using different Chrome profiles, and the person might think that is enough. But what the person fails to realize is that all the accounts are logged in on one device. So the moment one account has issue, Instagram will link that particular account to every other account. So even the other accounts that had no issue before, they will start having issues. So this is exactly how people lose Instagram accounts without understanding exactly how it happened. In the bid to fix this problem, people try a couple of solutions that doesn't work. So it is important you also know these solutions so that I don't waste your time trying to use them. Then towards the tail end, I'll be recommending a perfect solution to you that will fix all of these problems once and for all. So the very first solution that people try to use to fix this problem but it doesn't work is a VPN. Now when you're using a VPN, you need to understand that most VPNs use a shared IP. So you are not the only one who is making use of that VPN. There are many other persons who are also making use of that VPN. And if just one person messes up and that VPN gets flagged, your account will also be affected. Apart from that, Instagram already knows a lot of VPN providers, so it makes that traffic source suspicious. The second solution people make use of, but it still doesn't work, is making use of DNS or Smart DNS. This one sounds a bit technical, but still, it doesn't help. It doesn't change where you're connecting from because your IP address is still the same. So Instagram is still able to see your real location. And the third solution that doesn't work but people run to is making use of Tor Browser. This one is almost useless. The reason I say so is because it is very slow and Instagram doesn't trust it at all. If you're using Tor Browser, you'll be struggling to load content and Instagram can quickly get you blocked. And the first solution that people run to but doesn't work is making use of free browser extension. Many of these browser extensions actually ask for your data. And once you give them your data, they are able to access all of your details. They can access your login details, your personal information, your session, and most of their IPs are already blocked. And the fifth solution that people make use of, but it still doesn't solve the problem, is making use of a foreign SIM card. Now, when you're making use of a foreign SIM card, it can actually work when you're using mobile data. But the moment you switch to Wi-Fi, everything gets messed up. Apart from that, maintaining a foreign SIM card is very expensive, and Instagram can still be able to detect mismatches from your location and your device. So yes, All of these solutions might look good on the surface, but in reality, they cause more problems than they solve. So now that we have looked at the solutions that doesn't work, let's now forge ahead to look at what actually works. Now, whether you want to manage multiple Instagram accounts safely or you want to avoid restrictions, there are two important things that you need to fix at the same time. The very first one is your IP, and the second one is your device identity. So a proxy can help you to change your IP, while an anti-detect browser can help you to change how your device appears online. So when you use both together, everything matches. It now looks like a normal person using a normal device in one location, and that's the key. Because Instagram is always checking for consistency. So if everything matches, your IP address, your device location, your network, and your Wi-Fi, nothing will actually look strange. And when nothing looks strange, it means that you are safe. Now let's talk about anti-detect browsers. There are many anti-detect browsers out there that you can make use of, but the one I personally use and recommend is called GoLogin. The reason why I use GoLogin and also recommend it is because it is very simple to set up and the platform is stable. However, do not get it twisted, because the method I want to share with you in this video can actually work with any anti-detect browser. Now here's one rule that you must always follow. Before making use of any profile, make sure that you always test it first. And the best way to do this is to open Iphey inside the profile and then you test the fingerprints. Because what you're looking for is something clean, something normal, and there should be no red flags whatsoever. So once everything looks good, they can proceed to log in. So quickly, I'll take you over right now to my screen where I'll show you exactly how to create a profile on GoLogin and how you can also test it and start using it to log into multiple Instagram accounts without having any issues at all. So once you log into the GoLogin platform, this is what the interface actually looks like, right? So over here are a couple of proxies that I've been able to create. Now, if you come over here to this space, you're going to see proxies, and if you look right here, you can see the space. Okay, so coming right here, you can see residential proxy, you can see mobile, you can see data center. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be creating a residential proxy. So if I come right here and just click on the plus sign, you can see that 2 GB is worth $3.98, 5 GB is worth $7.95, 10 GB is worth $15.90, and so on. So this is actually very, very affordable. For those of you who are familiar with using proxies, you'll understand exactly what I mean. And like I said, if you stick around till the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can get 2 GB proxy that you can use to manage your Instagram account. All right. So quickly, I would like to just go ahead and show you how you can be able to create a profile. This profile you're seeing right here, this IG login, is a profile that I personally created for myself, but I'll be showing you exactly how you can be able to create a fresh profile. You can add as many profile as you want. Okay, so coming right here to this page, I'm going to click on add profile right here. So I want to quickly go ahead and then give this profile a name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be called this IG vlog tutorial. So let's just call it IG vlog tutorial. Okay, then when you come down here to this space, you can see the country right here. So you can click on the drop down menu, and then from here you can select the country. Okay, so for me, I'll just go ahead and select United States. So I'm going to be selecting United States from here. So once you select the country, the next thing is to go ahead and select the type. So there's residential, there's mobile, and data center, but like I said, we're going to use residential, so automatically it has selected that for us. Then just come down here below and then you click on create profile to be able to create your profile. So once you create a profile, then you are good to go. Coming right here to this page, you can see IG vlog tutorial. So this is a profile that we just created. Now before you can start using the profile, you need to actually verify the profile fingerprint to be sure that everything is in order before you go ahead to start using it. So to verify the profile's fingerprint, I'm going to come right here to this place and I'm going to run this particular profile. So now I'll just proceed right here and then click on view. So when you come right here to this page, you are going to search for Iphey. So let's do Iphey. I will leave the link to this particular website in the video description. Okay, so you're going to come right here and just open this particular website. Okay, so once you are here, You are going to wait for this stuff to load so that you can confirm the fingerprint identity. So you just give it few minutes for it to load. Okay, alternatively, you can just click on this green circle you are seeing right here, and then it's going to pop up. And as you can see, everything right here has turned green, so all the boxes here are checked green. That is to say that the fingerprint has actually been verified. And if at all you decide to go ahead and log into multiple Instagram accounts using these profiles, you are not going to have any issues at all. Everything right here is showing the green tick. That means you are good to go. If you come right here, you can see it says your digital identity looks trustworthy. All right, so if there are no red checks here, if there are any red checks here, it means that you are not going to be fully protected. But hence there are no red checks here and everything is showing green, it means you are good to go. So now that we have confirmed that the profile is safe to use, the next step in the process is to walk you through on how you can actually log into multiple Instagram accounts using the profiles that you have created. Now this is the profile that we just created. In order to confirm that this profile is active and it's fully going to protect you on Instagram, you're going to be seeing this green dot right here. Okay, so can you see the green dot? The green dot is showing close to the US flag, right? Now this is the one that I created initially. You can see it. The green dot is also showing close to the US flag. This goes to tell you that this profile is actually protecting you fully. If you want to use it to run multiple Instagram accounts, you will not have any issues at all, right? But you can see other ones here. You can see that it's not showing the green dots, which means this one is not active. Same as this one, it is not active. Same as this one, it is not active. So once it shows you the green dots, just know that it is active and you are good to go. Now, coming right here to this space, I'm going to run this particular one. So I'm going to come right here, okay, and we'll just click on run. So you're going to allow the profile to download successfully, because I'll be using it to open a web page. Then we'll log into Instagram. I'm going to be logging into 2 separate Instagram accounts just to show you how this works. So now we can just go ahead and then click on view. So it has loaded successfully. Now I'll just proceed to log into my Instagram account. So type in Instagram right here. So I'm going to search for Instagram. So this is Instagram here. Let's just proceed and open it. So I'm going to log into my first Instagram account. So let me enter the password. So let's log in. The code has been sent to me on WhatsApp. So they want to confirm if I am the one who's trying to log in. So let me enter the code. So click on continue. And boom, we've been able to log in successfully. All right. So I've logged into this particular account. All right. So from here, you can be able to send messages. You can check your explore page. You can do basically anything on Instagram. All right, without the fear of being restricted because you are using multiple accounts. But mind you, we just logged into the first account yet. Now I want to go ahead and show you how I can also log into another account using a separate profile. So to do that quickly, we are going to come back again into the interface. All right, so this time around I'm going to be using this particular profile. So let's make use of this profile. So now I'll just hit on view. So it's going to open up a new web page where we can basically log into another Instagram account. So with this, you can use as many profiles as possible to log into as many Instagram accounts as possible. So I'm going to use another profile. This is a profile I used initially. Okay, so I'm going to use another profile. All right, so they have sent me an email. A code has been sent to me to confirm that I am the one trying to log in. So let's quickly enter the code right here to proceed with the login process. All right, so we are in. We have logged in successfully. As you can see, we have logged in successfully. This is another Instagram account. All right, this is another Instagram account. So I logged into this using a separate profile. Okay, so this is how you can be able to create multiple profiles on GoLogin and then use it to log into separate Instagram accounts without any issues. All right. GoLogin also has an affiliate program where you can invite people to sign up on the platform and then you earn referral commissions. If you come right here to this page, you can say invite and get $150. So if you click on it, you'll be able to scroll all the way down to create your referral link. So this is it right here. This is a subdomain. You just have to enter your prefix here. So you type in your prefix. You can use anything at all that you want. So let's say your name is David. I want to use David as your prefix. And just type in David. Then you click on create referral link. Once you create it, go ahead and copy it. Then share it with your friends across your various social media platforms. If they click on it, sign up here and they buy a proxy, you are going to earn a referral commission. I want to believe that with this walkthrough, you now understand exactly how to create profiles on GoLogin that you can use to manage multiple Instagram accounts without getting restricted. If you want to sign up on GoLogin, the link to create an account will be in the video description. And like I promised at the beginning of this video, I said I was going to give you 2 GB proxy for free. So to claim your 2 GB proxy, use my promo code, which is what is showing right now on my screen, Mr. John 10. So use my promo code, Mr. John 10. I'm going to leave a promo code in the video description. So once you use my promo code, you're going to get 2 GB proxy for absolutely free. How amazing is that? So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Before you go, you know exactly how we do it on this channel. Please do well to like this video. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe quickly and turn on the bell icon to always stay updated by YouTube anytime I post a new video here. I'll see you in the next one.